This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the glove box lid. Then remove the 4 torque screws. Pull the glove box rearwards a little and disconnect the wiring plug. Rotate the fasteners 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove the lower fascia panel. The access cover for the pollen filter is secured by 2 screws. Undo the screws and remove the cover. Pull the filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. The arrows on the edge of the new filter element indicate airflow. The filter must be installed with the arrows facing rearwards. Carefully insert the new filter element into the housing. Then refit the cover and securely tighten the retaining screws. Refit the lower fascia cover, insert the fasteners, then rotate them clockwise. Reconnect the wiring plug, then manoeuvre the glove box into place. Insert and securely tighten the 4 torque screws.